swim, when I go underwater, when I need to wash my face. Hi guys, Angel here. I'm going to do a bath routine. Everything I do when I have a bath and all the products what I use. Don't forget to comment down below which bath things you like. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Let's get into it. Come on then. First we need my towel. We have to go behind my door. Oh, there it is, down there. That's just, but we're gonna get a little hook for that. We're gonna put it somewhere around here. This is my towel and I'm gonna show you it. It's a princess one. These are for after my pajamas. And because I got these for Christmas. This is my products bag and this is my jelly bag. 2 more days at my birthday and tomorrow I'm going for a play date at my nanny's. I'm going to show everybody what's in my backpack. This is Ariel and the little things can do that. Let's see what's inside. First, body lotion. And I'm going to have a jacuzzi because we have bubbles. So here's my jelly bath. It's really bubbly. Got my scrubber. I got my spray for after the baths. It makes you smell good. Look, there's a lot of surprise in here. I didn't know that was in there. It's a bath bomb. We got some shower gel. We've got some body lotion. I'm going to show you what I'm going to use. So I'm going to use my scrubber, that and that, and I'm going to use this. That's what I'm going to use. Now I'm going to run my bath, but it needs to be hot for me. I'm just putting everything away. Come on, let's go in the bath. Let's get my products. First we put the plug in and it's shiny gold. The bath is very, very cold, but the heating's on, so that's good. Now we need to turn the hot water on. We just need to wait a minute until it fills up. These are for the hot tubs in this button because there's a little hose. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, it's going to fall in. There. And I've got 4 things and we just need to wait until the bath comes up. Come on. I like to get everything ready. So when I get out the bath, I'm not too cold and I can get straight into my stripy pyjamas. Get your mummy and daddy to help you with your bath routine. And never just turn the bath on your own. What I like to do is put my towel on the radiators so it's nice and warm when I get out. Let's do it. Don't forget to brush your teeth, but this is my toothbrush, it's lighting up. Pop, 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 pop. Now I'm going to get my product movie ready. Stick my toothbrush right up there so I don't lose it. Because it's so sticky. Look. I'm going to get all my products ready and I'm going to have a good clean. But don't forget to watch my next video. Bubble. Don't use too much. I'm going to squish it around. I'm going to turn my jacuzzi on and it's going to make bubbles. Look at my bubbles! got loads of bubbles and loads of water. It's about up to there. But it might be up to there soon. I'm going to get all my presents and I'm going to get all clean. Comment down below what products you have and I'll see if I have them too. Now I'm going to get my scrubber. I'm going to put some candy apple shower gel on it. That's really enough. There's only a little bit left. Ah, it's dripping down my arm. Just rub it a little. It's getting in my eyeballs. And don't forget to take your socks off too. I'll stand up and wash myself with my bikini on. I'm putting it on my bikini. Me on the legs. What? I'm giving it a there. Wash my other parts off. Look how much black there is. Some are goggles and I use them when I go under water when I need to wash my face. Okay, now I'm going underneath my water. This is so new. Oh man, it's dripping down my eyeballs. I don't need a towel. But those goggles did not work, but my face is all nice and clean. Right, now I'm going to brush my teeth. I'm just putting my toothpaste on. Now I need to brush my teeth for 2 minutes. Which is flashing green now. That means that it's ready to go out. Time to get out with my really, really warm towel. Warm towel, warm towel. Now I'm going in my bedroom. Let's get me all dried up. I'm going to spray it on my arms. And it has a little arrow where you point. It makes your skin really soft and nice smelly. And it really tickles. Next time, look at all that shimmer. Now I'm going to rub it all in so my skin's nice and soft. Okay, I'm all nice and soft. Feel it. Thanks for watching my bath routine. Don't forget to comment down below what you use in the bath. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Bye.